just going to moisturize my face with the help of my Lakme cream. It is an amazing moisturizing cream and इसकी जो fragrance है वो बहुत ही amazing है. So I'm just going to apply my inside makeup primer. Okay, so on my face I'm just going to apply my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 warm nude. इसको मैं sponge की मदद से अपने पूरे face पे apply करूँगी. Okay, so on my eyelid area, I'm just going to apply this LA Pro concealer to hide my dark circles. And I'm just going to apply the same concealer to, highlight my face. And then I'm just going to pick this contour shade and just going to contour my face. इस ब्रश की मदद से मैं अपने फेस को अच्छे से contour करूँगी. I'm just going to pick this beautiful coral shade and apply it as a blusher. Okay, so then with the help of this Maybelline compact, I'm just going to set my face. Going to draw my eyebrows. For my eyes, I'm just going to pick this shade and apply it on my eyelid area. To pick this brown shade and इसको मैं बहुत हल्का अपनी eyelid के center पे apply करूँगी यहाँ पे just for a color. And then I'm just going to pick this red shade and apply it on my lower lash line. Of this palette, I'm just going to pick this shade and with the help of this flat brush, I'm just going to apply it on my eyelid area. Okay, so उसके बाद I'm just going to apply my false lashes. And okay, so मैंने false lash line apply कर ली है and now I'm just going to draw a wing. After that, I'm just going to apply my mascara on my lower lash line. Okay, so then with the help of this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, I'm just going to pick this white shade with the help of this flat brush. And इस shade को मैं अपनी eyes की inner corners पे लगाऊंगी. After that, I'm just going to highlight my face with the help of my Incolor highlighter palette.